Thank you so much. Welcome to Politics Today. I'm your brother, Secret. This video is a cry for justice for Mr. and Mrs. Ifedi. The news report coming from Arise media platform said this man, Mr. Ifedi, and his wife, Callistus, were arrested since 2021 and held hostage in one Wawa barracks in Niger State. And they have been there since 2021 without trial. According to Ojuegbe, who was presenting this, she said they are reacting as a result of the tweet from Sowore of Sahara Reporters, owner of Sahara Reporters, that this couple were accused of being IPOB members. That is all. And so they were arrested since 2021.
Is about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. And I wanted to just pull up Omoyele Showore's tweet, which, had been going around for a while, about this couple, Mr. Ifedi and Mrs. Chidi Ifedi Kalista. They said that they have been held hostage since 2021 at Wawa Barrack in Niger State. They were accused of being IPOB members. And, there are several other Nigerians, especially from the southeast, abandoned in this Nigerian army barrack. I wanted to just pull this out so we can have this same conversation about either the release of Nnamdi Kanu and what it means for the people of the southeast.
Okay, number one.
Anyamo Sigwe, the NBA president, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria, your performance so far is so outstanding, very, very commendable. If NBA had been operating at this level, Nigeria will not get to this level of decay. Anyamo Sigwe, this platform is appealing to you. You are in a position to act immediately. Call the NBA chairman for Niger State to go to the barracks with a team of lawyers and investigate this allegation that Mr. and Mrs. Ifedi have been in detention since 2021. And let them confirm that of a truth this happened. Let them also find out how many other people are in detention on a baseless, good for nothing allegation of being IPOB members. Anyamo Sigwe, we are begging you also, let this exercise be carried out in every military barracks and police station, everywhere in Nigeria. Let Nigerian Bar Association members, ask your lawyers under you to visit and find out who and who is in detention without trial. What is the offense, the allegation brought against that person? Why have that person not been charged to court? According to the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You see, Tinubu wastes taxpayers' money, jumping here and there, enjoying himself. Enjoying himself. Investors look at rule of law profile. How far you are rated when it comes to rule of law. That's what investors look for. When your country is perfectly banana republic, not governed by any law, you can't get investors into Nigeria. It's only those who want to rip us off, like those who came some years back. They want to buy Nitel. And they said they are foreign investors. Few days after they arrived, they were running around banks in Lagos looking for a way to borrow money to buy a company in Nigeria. That's the type of investors APC will bring. Those who, they are just hired to come in because they are white people. They just come in, call yourself foreign investor. Who is bringing them? Local politicians here who want to acquire national assets using taxpayers' money also. That's the type of foreign investors you see. No serious foreign investor will put his money in a country when the facts on ground prove that it's not governed by law. That's why we have unemployment. And that's why multinationals are leaving the country. They have seen the handwriting on the wall. You can't deceive them. They know. But NBA, in the same way, Okojiwala challenge you people and ask, are you people ready? NBA should rise up to the challenge. National President of NBA, please, rise up to this challenge. Go, send your lawyers. Let them go and confirm this thing. And please, let these people be prosecuted if they have committed any offense known to law. And let it be clearly pointed out. Criminal elements should not go about punishing the Igbo race. Any Igbo man you want police to attack, you want army to arrest, you just accuse that person of being an IPOB member. Bandits, according to what we are hearing, Sultan of Sokoto always tell you bandits move freely with AK-47. Nobody can challenge him. Nobody can say that's not true. You can see how Boko Haram brought back Dapchi girls with pomp and pageantry, playing music, dancing, and community members came and danced with them. Where were the army? Were they looking for those people? And they dance and dance and dance and brought girls they want to bring back. They dance and dance and dance and left. They didn't have time to work on their vehicle. No challenge. Anybody will just point an Igbo man. If you have score to settle with him, if you are owing him and you don't want to pay him, what will you do? Just point at him, go to the army, point at him, say he's IPOB, the army will come and arrest him. Charge him to court now and prosecute him now? No way. They will detain them. Injustice to a people group. Official policy of government is injustice to a people group. Anyamosibe, let lawyers sit up and do the needful. Please, send lawyers to go and investigate this. Act fast for the good of your fellow man, for justice, so that the world will begin to take us serious. These are the things we need to be doing, so that foreign investors will be assured that if they come in here, they will come into a country where they will see human beings, not people that live like animals. Because any country that is not governed by law is just a question of animal kingdom, where animals get up to each other animal. No law. That's why NBA should do more of what they are doing. Since Osigwe took over as president, NBA should do more. We will wait to see the outcome of this.
I mean, the issue about the Shore tweet is that nobody should be detained unduly in Nigeria. The law is very clear, sections 35 and 36. Even when persons may have committed infractions, whether they are members of IPOB or of Oduduwa Republic, the law says that they have rights under the Constitution. To detain somebody from 2021 to date, whether it's by DSS or DMI, is a violation of their fundamental human rights, except there are extenuating circumstances. Even ACJA, the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, does not say that you can detain people indefinitely. That's an abuse. And our security agencies should desist
Absolutely.
from abusing people's rights.